Yeah, King Black back in this motherfucker, man. You know, it ain't no love in these streets, but the streets calling. It's almost like sometimes when you think about it, it's like the streets
D-Mark
need
got
you.
that heat.
Or you think about it, it's like the streets need you. Because it ain't no love, but the streets steady calling. The fiends steady calling, but it ain't no love in the streets. You feel me? Look. It ain't no love in these streets, but the streets calling. It ain't no love in these streets, but the streets calling. It ain't no love in these streets, but the streets calling. It ain't no love in these streets, but the streets calling. It ain't no love, but the streets calling. It ain't no love, but the streets calling. It ain't no love, but the fiends calling. It ain't no love, but the fiends calling. It ain't no love, but the streets calling, and the perky talking, and I'm looking at the wall of scene like they talking to me, cause I'm boxed in. All my emotions boxed up, yeah, like a concoction. Thinking about this shit, sometimes I wanna rock out, sometimes I wanna flash out. I got to my money, took a different route. Thinking about my granny, wanna go south, and I lost my granny at 21 just to think about. And I lost my other granny, yeah, that shit had me wild. And I lost my daughter, yeah, you know I'm about to go crazy now. And I just ran up the back for her now. I do it for my kids, what I'ma do now. I do it for my daughter, I do it for my son. And if you ever try me, I'ma up the gun. And any nigga try my kids, they gon' get slaughtered. And I'm popping perkies, people trying to hell I bother. Ain't no love in these streets, it ain't no love, no. Ain't no love in these streets, I heard the streets calling. It ain't no love in these streets, I heard the streets calling. It ain't no love in these streets, I heard the streets calling. It ain't no love, but 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 the streets calling. It ain't no love, I ain't got no heart. Shrug my shoulder, shrug. Ain't no love, and I'm just thinking about my kids, gotta show them love. And my mama see it on my face, I knew what it was. She knew I was down bad, knew I was struggling, and I ain't had to say nothing. She looked at my face again, she said, damn, you sipping lean, popping perks again. I told my mama I can't quit this shit ever again. She said, why you can't stop? I'm trying to heal the pain. And I done lost so much shit, but got a lot to gain. And I lost so much shit to this dirty game, and on this long road it's like a hall of fame. And I just want my name on the plaque, trending topic. Better believe 100,000, yeah, it's in my pocket. You ain't gotta question what's up in my wallet, no. But if you try to rob me, I'ma knock you off. Ain't no love in these streets, I heard the streets calling. It ain't no love in these streets, I heard the streets calling. It ain't no love in these streets, I hear the streets calling. It ain't no love in these streets, no. It ain't no love in these streets, no. But the streets steady calling me, dawg. It ain't no love in these streets, dawg. But the streets steady calling me, dawg. Yeah, it ain't no love in these streets. The fiends calling, yeah, the geeks need they weed. Ain't no love in these streets, yeah, the streets calling. Yeah, young flashy nigga bossing. Yeah, King Black back in